Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print Reflections of Life grave markers. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and under the Print Info button, we'll view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file has generated, we'll want to review the document to be sure that everything is uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print. We'll make sure that the following options have been selected: actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that the document size and page size match in width and height. Next, we'll go into the advanced properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Our document size and orientation will remain the same. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have our paper type, and that will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your one-click preset here and clicking OK. Once you've done this, an icon will appear above, and by clicking on this preset, the below settings will import into your new case. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.